Greetings everybody. We are from Santinos Global School. We are participating in the Viksit Bharat Buildathon. Our project's name is Monitoring Plant Health System.
The components are ESP32 connected with a cable wire and a soil moisture sensor and couple of LEDs which indicates the soil moisture level and multiple jumper wires and DHT22 for the temperature.
This is our program and which we have done in Arduino IDE. First we have included header file, then we define the pin numbers, then we define the threshold values for moist and dry level, then we define the output and low values. This is where our actual program starts. If the soil value is less than moist threshold and if it is greater than 20 and less than 30, the green LED will be glowing. If the soil value is greater than threshold and if the soil value is if it is between moist threshold and dry threshold, then the yellow LED will be glowing. If any other conditions, then the red LED will be glowing.
Let's understand the working principle of this project. Now there are three LEDs, the red, yellow and green. Red indicates that the amount of water is very less and the soil is very dry and we need to add more water. Yellow LED indicates that the amount of water is optimal and but it's not sufficient for the plant's growth, and the green LED indicates that the amount of water is sufficient. Now let's see. As there is no water and my hand is dry, it's showing the red LED. Now if we add, it becomes yellow. It became yellow, and now let's keep it in the soil which is filled with water. Now as we can see, it turned into green, which is the optimal level of water for the growth of the plant.
The extended version of this project can be made using IoT, relay module and water pump, where the water will be automatically added into the soil whenever required, and it will make the project autonomous. We are currently working on it. This is our project.
Thank you.